Today we're going to talk about sound design. And all of the sounds you hear in the background right now are not actually here. All the sounds you just heard were found on Soundly. Soundly is a platform where you can download lots of free high-quality sound effects. It takes only 2 minutes to download the app on your laptop and get started. There's a search bar where you can quickly find what you are looking for, like nice ambient sounds, whooshes, birds, and even farts. Don't overlook how sound design can make your videos go from good to great.